Hi, Miss Sarah. What is that on your plate? What are you eating?
Guacamole.
Look at Mommy. What's it called? What's it called? What's this right here?
Guacamole.
Guacamole?
Yeah, guacamole.
You love guacamole?
Guacamole.
Do you like to dip your chips in your guacamole?
Guacamole. Guacamole.
What's it called? Guacamole? Do you like guacamole? Miss Sienna, do you like guacamole?
Yeah.
No, you don't. You didn't like it.
Mommy.
What are you eating?
Yes.
Is that pasta? Sarah, say it one more time. What do you like?
Papa.
Pasta? And what else? What's that on your plate? What is it? Can you tell Mommy? Can you guys tell Mommy? How much do you love your mommy? How much do you love your mommy? Moon and back?
Yeah.
Mommy loves you too. Sienna, can you say I love you?
I love you.
Sarah, can you say I love you? Say I love you.
I love you.
Oh, I love you. Okay, I fix it.